0, this is 1 for a radio check.
Radio check loud and clear.
Superb. Now this is the first time I've had the GoPro out for a couple of months.
This year?
Maybe, aye. We're having the house renovations done, a bloody lust of thing, eh?
Clutch is better now.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Aye, I forgot to readjust it, sorry.
No, that was my fault. That is clear as anything.
Is it?
Aye. I would say 10 times clearer than the other one.
That's good. We'll see what it's like when we get a bit of speed up for the noise. So, where are we going to head to today, Alex?
We're going to head to Rothes.
I haven't been there for a while. Quite a while, actually. The last time I was there was with Wilbert. Tell you though, that was a cracking run yesterday, eh?
That was good. Enjoyed it.
Yeah, I thoroughly enjoyed it as well.
You know where the nuclear warheads are kept?
Aye, I know, eh? That's some size of a place, eh?
Oh, when they go over the Echo's Mackin or down to Newbridge on the motorway.
Echo's Mackin. I hate motorways. We're going to be on the motorway once we cross the bridge anyway. Aye, it's certainly a bit chillier. I can't believe.
It's exceptional.
Aye, it hit 27 degrees yesterday.
Aye.
That's amazing, eh?
Aye, brilliant.
Well, for us anyway. We're in the wrong lane.
Who?
Us.
Yeah, no.
How's your ears with the pressure?
It actually feels alright, you know that?
Yeah. Oh, it's the horn. Hi everyone, I'm here, hello. You've left your indicator on. Ah, so that was only what, about 2 or 3 mil I shaved out the ear hole things.
Was that Sean?
It was only about 2 or 3 millimetres I shaved out the ear holders, you know, the earphone recesses.
Aye. It's just enough though, isn't it?
Aye, I just, because it was raised on the outside and then there was like a sunken bit in the middle, so I just shaved the rest down to the size of the sunken bit. So you're talking about what, 2 mil? 2 mil, no more than that. Just enough to take let the headphones sink in that little bit. So how are you finding your TCX boots?
I think they're brilliant.
They're good, eh? They're comfortable, eh?
Absolutely brilliant. Feet have never been cold, comfy to wear.
Yeah, your indicator's still on.
Bend your feet as well, unlike the big boots.
Yeah. And you can walk in them as well.
Aye, exactly.
Mind you, in saying that, I can walk in my Alpine Star boots. You know, my big ones, They're comfy. And my Risha boots, my ankle boots, they're comfy.
Which kit?
I'll blame Willie for that.
I can't blame Willie though, can I?
You can't, but I can. Willie's philosophy is buy decent kit and it will last you a lifetime.
Or buy cheap.
Buy twice, that's your motto.
There you go.
Because I can remember when I was getting looking at comms, I says to Willie, I says, oh, I've seen a cheap intercom set on Amazon or whatever, eBay. I says, it's only 100 quid, you get two. You want me to buy it? Willie went, nope. I went, how? He says, they'll be cheap and they'll be crap. He says, I'm buying the Packtalk Edge. I says, okay, I'm buying the Packtalk Edge as well then. And we waited for it to come out. It was £315 for one.
And we've never, since we got it sorted with mine, we've never had any problems this year.
Nah, that's a bit clearer up here,
A bit dodgy.
Aye, unfortunate place to break down.
You see the suntan I've got in my arms, my face?
From yesterday,
Aye.
I never even looked for me, I never checked.
I suntan dead easy though.
Yeah. Aye, I normally go brown, really brown,
You wash up dead though.
But when I worked outside for years on the buses, I'd be absolutely brown in the summer,
It doesn't help when you go skin cancer. Or
No, I know. Just my arms and my face, like,
My mind never came out until I was what? Let me think. 52, 53 when I got it.
What, in the nose?
Aye.
No cancer in the nose.
Got it in my back as well.
Yeah. At least they fixed it though. I've not had this helmet on for a while either.
What have you got on like? Oh, your green one.
No, my LS2.
Is that an open face one as well?
No. No, the only open face one I've got is a Schuberth. Not had my shoe on for a while either. But that's no set up for the two-way recording with the comms.
Yeah. Oh, of course you got your airbag camera lay in you.
Aye. No, a few people have been asking, like, oh, you've not put any riding videos up and all that crap. I didn't think anybody watches them anyway. So I wasn't bothered.
See on the left there?
Aye.
Right. That's a shield thing, right? There were never any trees on it. Look at the trees now. So
Aye.
it shows you what one seed does.
I know. It's like making babies, what one seed does.
Unfortunately. That clutch is definitely better now.
That's good. I don't know whether to use the car for work next week or the bike.
What was that, Sean?
I don't know whether to use the car or the bike for work next week. I'm on late,
If the weather's good though.
Yeah.
Of course, you don't want to come back and the pitch black, do you?
Well, the thing is, Alec, I've changed my route coming back at night. Been coming back the M8. Been coming back the motorway at night. But
So if I'm working it, I'm trying to stick to the main motorways all the time.
aye. Well, we're coming back the motorway. Obviously I get back quicker, and it's just less hassle, eh? Plus at night I think coming back the motorway, well, early in the morning, I think it'll be safer because you're less likely to get deer and badgers and rabbits and all that running out in front of you.
It's true.
You know, if it, compared to the A71. Ah, the sun's coming out now. Happy days.
What's the temperature?
My bike's no fancy enough to tell me that.
My bike is, but I just can't find it. I'm going to stop here and get fuel.
Right, okay.
Just do the 1 bar.
1 bar. I'm okay for fuel. It's good, eh? I like this garage. I try and use this garage as much as possible, eh?
It's only unleaded.
Oh, have they not got super?
Yeah. So on your side?
I can't see, I'm still on the main road, eh? You wouldn't think this was a Sunday. Look at it. It's unbelievable.
Super unleaded. Just normal.
There's a BP and a Shell at Queensferry. You want to try there?
What have I got left? $68 miles left. I'm alright to get there.
Aye, we'll get one.
Try the BP, see what the price is.
Aye. If not, we'll get one in Fife, eh? It'll be cheaper in Fife. You wouldn't believe this is a Sunday, eh? Unbelievable. Absolutely unbelievable. Your indicator's still on.
Fucking just see it. It's nice and Fife.
It does, eh? Sunny Fife.
My phone or yours?
Yours, just shout answer if you want to answer it. Bridge isn't too busy today, eh?
It's not bad.
The bike definitely runs better on E5.
Yeah, definitely.
I can't say I've noticed much difference or any difference with the Honda, but certainly with the GSX.
Probably because of the age of the
Aye.
Suzuki, eh?
Well, the Suzuki's 14,
What the fuck are you waiting for?
because he's seen slowing traffic ahead, so he's jumped on the brakes like a right pansy.
Fucking take your foot off the accelerator, you fucking idiot.
That's all you do. It's just bad driving, Alex, that's all it is. Poor driving, poor planning.
Read the road.
Correct.
That was fucking chilly, eh?
It was, that was a chilly blast. That exhaust of yours, that sounds a hell of a lot better.
It does, eh?
All thanks to the BMC workshop.
Oh, it's been on the speed for a wee while.
Aye. I went to flip my flip-flop up. I've got my flip up on. Right, this is a hub. Let's check this place out. I've only been once there. It was a couple of years ago.